Hey YouTube, today I have the Rinning dish drainer, which comes also, you can buy extra this dish handler or displacer, and you can also put some other things on other compartments for any cups you have. And this dimensions, it says here, are 40 times 31 centimeters, and the good thing is that it has an angle to it, and you can see it where the water can drain to your sink here. Let's put some dishes on so you can have a better look. And this is how it looks with some dishes and some forks in it. You can also place some glasses that you wash. You don't have a dishwasher. And the price is at €5. Don't remember what's the price on this, so it must be a couple of euros as well. And you can also buy some other equipment, as I said. Sorry for the dishwasher, the clothes washer sound in the back. It's nice looking, and instead it looks kind of modern. Depends on if it fits with your kitchen or not. There are other choices as well for the dish dryer or dish handler, so to speak. Thanks for watching. This was the Rinning dish dryer. Please like and subscribe.